If your body says the wrong thing, your words won't matter. You can say the perfect line, wear the best outfit, and still lose her interest before the conversation even begins. Because attraction doesn't start when you speak. It starts when she reads your presence. And here's what most men never realize. A woman often feels your energy before she understands your personality. The way you stand, the way you look, the way you move, the way you react when she notices you. All of it sends a message. And sometimes your body is either saying, I'm comfortable with myself, or it's saying, please approve of me. That difference changes everything, because body language is not about acting dominant. It's not about copying fake alpha poses. It's not about staring like a creep or trying to control the room. It's about becoming relaxed enough that your confidence can be felt without being announced. Number 1, use stillness to create presence. Most men move too much when they're nervous. They tap their feet, they keep checking their phone, they adjust their clothes again and again, they look around the room like they're searching for permission to exist, and they don't even realize what that communicates. It creates restless energy, and restless energy makes people feel like you're uncomfortable inside yourself. But when you can be still, naturally still, you instantly feel different, not frozen, not stiff, not robotic. Just steady. Imagine you're standing in a room. People are moving around, talking fast, checking their phones, trying to look busy, but you're calm. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your feet are planted. Your hands are not fighting each other. Your face is easy. You're present. That kind of stillness creates weight. It makes people notice you without knowing why. And here's where it gets interesting. Stillness signals emotional control. It tells her you're not easily shaken by attention, silence, or the environment. A man who can stand calmly without performing feels grounded, and grounded energy is attractive because it feels safe, strong, and rare. The key is not to become statue-like. The key is to remove nervous movement. If you're standing, stand with balance. If you're sitting, don't collapse into yourself. If you're listening, don't keep fidgeting like you're trying to escape. Let your body say, I'm here, and I'm comfortable. That alone makes you more noticeable. Number 2, control the speed of your movements. This is a secret most men ignore. Your movement speed reveals your inner state. When you move too quickly, it can look anxious. When you grab your phone too fast, turn your head too fast, answer too fast, or react too fast, it creates a rushed energy. And rushed energy often feels insecure. But when your movements are controlled, relaxed, and deliberate, you look more confident. Think about how a man with real certainty moves. He doesn't jerk around nervously. He doesn't rush to fill every second. He doesn't react like every little thing demands an emergency response. He moves with intention. If someone calls his name, he doesn't snap his head around like he's been caught doing something wrong. He turns calmly. If he reaches for a glass, he doesn't grab it like he's nervous. He simply reaches. If he enters a room, he doesn't rush in with apologetic energy. He walks like he belongs there. And this changes everything, because slow, controlled movement creates the feeling of self-control. Women notice that, not always consciously, but they feel it. It makes you look less reactive, less desperate, less easy to throw off. And that matters because attraction often grows around emotional steadiness. A simple way to practice this is to slow down by 10%. Not dramatically, just enough. Slow down how fast you look away. Slow down how fast you respond. Slow down how fast you move your hands when you talk. You don't need to act like a movie character. Just stop moving like you're afraid of being judged. Number 3, let your eye contact have rhythm. Eye contact is powerful, but most men use it wrong. Some avoid it completely because they feel nervous. Others overdo it and stare too intensely, thinking it makes them confident. Both create discomfort. The real secret is rhythm. You look, you hold for a moment, you let the moment land, then you naturally look away, then you return. That rhythm feels human. It creates connection without pressure. For example, when she's talking, give her your attention. Don't scan the room. Don't keep checking your phone. Don't look away every time she meets your eyes. But also, don't lock onto her like you're trying to win a staring contest. Let it breathe. And here's where it gets interesting. The most attractive eye contact often happens in small pauses. When she says something funny and you smile for a second before responding. When she finishes a sentence and you hold eye contact just long enough to show you actually heard her. When you're about to say something playful and your eyes carry the confidence before your words do. That creates tension, not uncomfortable tension, attraction tension, the kind that makes the moment feel alive. Most people miss this. Eye contact is not just about looking at her, it's about making her feel that you're present. When your eyes are calm, warm, and steady, she feels your attention differently. And attention that feels controlled is far more attractive than attention that feels desperate. Number 4, angle your body like you're interested, not chasing. Your body direction says a lot. If you turn completely away, she may feel like you're not engaged. But if you lean in too much, follow her every movement, or position yourself like you're desperate to keep her attention, it can feel too eager. The secret is relaxed openness. Face her enough to show interest, but don't collapse your whole body toward her like she's the center of your universe. Keep your chest open. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Turn slightly toward her when she speaks, but maintain your own space. This creates balance. You're engaged, but not needy. Interested, but not chasing. And this changes everything. Because women can feel when your entire body is begging for approval. They can feel when you're trying too hard to keep them from leaving. But when your body says, I'm enjoying this, but I'm still grounded in myself, your energy becomes much stronger. A real-life example, you're talking to her at a social event. Instead of standing directly in front of her like an interview, stand at a slight angle. Keep the energy casual. Let the conversation feel easy. If she leans in, you can meet that energy. If she steps back, you respect the space. That awareness makes you feel socially intelligent. And social intelligence is attractive because it shows you can read comfort without forcing closeness. Number 5, use your hands to communicate calm certainty. Hands reveal nervousness quickly. When a man doesn't know what to do with his hands, it shows. He hides them in his pockets too tightly. He crosses his arms defensively. He keeps touching his face. He cracks his fingers. He waves his hands too much while talking. All of this can create anxious energy. But when your hands are relaxed, visible, and controlled, you seem more open and confident. This doesn't mean you should force hand gestures. It means your hands should support your words, not distract from them. When you speak, use natural gestures. When you listen, let your hands rest comfortably. When you laugh, let your body respond naturally. Don't overthink it. Just avoid making your hands look like they're trying to escape the conversation. And here's the deeper truth. Open hands create openness. They make you look less guarded. A relaxed hand gesture can make your words feel more natural, more honest, and more confident. For example, if you're explaining something, use small, controlled gestures instead of wild movements. If you're sitting, rest your hands calmly instead of constantly picking at something. If you're standing, don't lock your arms across your chest the whole time like you're protecting yourself. Your hands should say, I'm relaxed, not, I don't know what to do with myself. Now here's the part every man should understand. Body language doesn't create attraction by itself if your energy is fake. You can stand correctly, move slowly, hold eye contact, angle your body, and control your hands. But if underneath it all you're desperate for approval, that desperation will still leak out. So the real goal is not to act confident. The real goal is to become comfortable. Comfortable with silence. Comfortable being seen, comfortable not being liked by everyone, comfortable taking up space without apologizing for it. That's when your body language changes naturally. You stop fidgeting because you're no longer panicking. You stop rushing because you're no longer trying to escape discomfort. You stop staring because you're no longer trying to force attraction. You stop shrinking because you no longer feel like you need permission. And that is what women notice. Not the pose, the presence,